Hello there, Biafu Ambango. Biafu Ambango. Welcome back to our Songwen Nweh learning videos. Today we are going to be learning a Nweh, which is a Nweh alphabet. There are 31 letters in the Nweh alphabet, okay? And I want to take this moment just to acknowledge the CONLECUDA project team for the great effort and time they put in to develop this Nweh alphabet. Okay, so they do offer training online and offline, and they are currently located in Buea, Cameroon, West Africa. I'm gonna drop their contact information in this video link below. So if you're interested, please reach out to them, and they are doing a marvelous job. All right. So right now we do have 21 consonants and 10 vowels. And we're going to continue with the vowel sound e, as in ngep, ngep, ngep. So let's go visit the chicken farm. Biefu baby goma na ngep. Okay, we finally got to the chicken farm, and chicken farm in Nweh is Anabengep. Anabengep. So I have two questions. I'm going to ask question number 1 to Folafe, and I'll ask for you question number 2. Folafe, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, question number 1. Go bejir kona for Folafe.
Me beje leven in kong in gap tour.
Okay, ngam tour, yes.
Gege
Gege butterfly.
tong imbong in gap.
Tongbong gap, which is a basket of eggs.
Bo in gap.
A bone gap, those are chicks.
Gui in gap.
Green gap, a hen.
Vena
Grasshopper.
Ma ingang bege.
Manengbeng gap is chicken farmers. Is that it? I can still
Yes.
see some stuff for you. Can you help her? What did she miss?
Anaben
Gege
gege.
butterfly. Leven also, you miss leven, which is turtle. All right, good job for the fair. Question number 2 for you. Go bejia bengap beshi ana for. How many chickens can you see in this form?
Buffy, Bebia, Becat, Le Croix, Bete, Eteri, Sabia, Le Fort, Le Braa, Le Gad, Le Chap Buffy, Le Chap Ya, Le Chap Tat, Le Chap Le Croix, Le Chap Te, Le Chap Eteri, Le Chap Sabia, Le Chap Le Fort, Le Chap Le Braa, Begabia, Me, Le Chap Buffy. Mebe, Ja, Begab, Begambia, Me, and Chap Muffy.
Okay, go bejia bengap begambia menchamofi. Wow, you found a hidden chicken, huh? All right, good job. Okay, let's get to some activity. An activity in Nweh is betu. Let's sound it out. So I'm gonna start with number 1, Ana Bengap. 2, Maneng Bengap. 3, Gege. 4, Leven. 5, Ngui Ngap. 6, Ngap Tour. 7, Inven. 8, Tong Mbungap. 9, Ebuongap. 10, Ndungap. 11, Mvena. So the girls did well with their questions, and Folafe got everything right except number 4, 7, and 10. I hope you are also following along. Happy learning. Wo Iche Ngap. Bye bye.